My name is Jacqueline Driss, and we are at my own home in the neighborhood of Kent in the Palisades of Washington, D.C. My husband and I recently finished the renovation on this house, and we got our kitchen, which you see behind me, from USA Cabinet Store, from our favorite sales representative, Selman. We worked with Selman on another project that we just finished last year, which was a 5-unit condo building. And he helped us with 5 of the kitchens and all of the bathrooms there. So then when we decided to do our own home, he was the person that we came to. So he helped us design this kitchen and put all of the organizational elements together, and we're really happy with how it turned out. One thing I love about Selman and USA Cabinet Store is that he is such a great problem solver, and he's not afraid to give you his feedback when you're designing the kitchen. So one thing in particular was we were going to do a smaller island, and Selman really pushed back because if we had done that, we would have removed the pull-out, recycle, and trash compartment. And because, you know, he pushed back and he knew that we needed that, we went ahead and we did it, and we're so happy that we did. Every time we throw trash away, we thank Selman, because otherwise we would have had a smaller island and I don't even know where we would have put the trash can. So seems like a small thing, but he's not afraid to make recommendations, or if you're not sure about what you need in your kitchen, he has a great knowledge of how you can make it more functional for you. And the timing of everything was absolutely perfect. When we ordered, Selman gave us a time frame of when the cabinets should be ready and when they should ship, and they came right on time. Everything came in the way it was supposed to. Nothing was missing, nothing was damaged. And I love the quality of the brands that they carry. So this is a really nice employee-owned brand called Showplace. It's all made in the USA. And the quality is great, and they have a great range of products. So if you want to do a modern kitchen like this, you have a lot of options, but you can also go for something more traditional and a wide range of colors and options. And USA Cabinet Store and Selman were wonderful with helping us narrow down where we wanted to go. So the overall theme of this house is kind of a calm, almost like a California style, modern, with a little bit of a Japanese influence, mostly in that it's very much a balance of natural elements and setting a scene. So when it came to designing the kitchen, I knew that I wanted to incorporate a solid walnut slab waterfall countertop, because that's really almost creating the element of a waterfall, which is really important in Japanese landscape design and architecture. And also just a really beautiful natural element with the live edge over here. So when it came to picking out the cabinetry, I wanted something that was sturdy and impressive, but also would create a beautiful canvas to kind of let the stone that we chose, which is soapstone, and we had a custom soapstone sink made, to be a beautiful blank canvas that would just be the supporting cast, if you will, to some of these more outstanding elements. So Selman was such a help with choosing a nice, just clean, flat front cabinet that would complement what we had already done, but not create a feeling of being overwhelmed with so much over-design in the space. So we collaborated very well on that, and we were able to come up with something that I think is balanced and very beautiful.
Hello, my name is Salman. I am a kitchen and bath designer in USA Cabinet Store. My customers Jacqueline and Kiram Driss did a second project with me, and this was a 6th kitchen we have done together. And this time we work with a black matte slab cabinet and walnut island. It was a great pleasure working with them, and thanks for Jacqueline sharing the feelings with me and you guys. And I'm looking forward to work in our 3rd project soon. Thanks again, Jacqueline, and I'm looking forward to work with you again. Thank you.
Thank you, Selman.